Throughout history, civilizations have risen and fallen. They leave behind tantalizing clues. These clues hint at their ingenuity and knowledge. Ancient people possessed remarkable skills. They built incredible structures and created ingenious inventions. Some of these achievements still baffle us today. We marvel at their complexity. We strive to understand the methods behind them. These glimpses into the past ignite our curiosity. They remind us that our ancestors were intelligent and inventive. These ancient wonders spark our imaginations. How did they achieve such feats? What knowledge did they possess? The answers lie buried in the sands of time. We uncover fragments of their stories through archaeology and research. Each discovery sheds light on their capabilities. We gain a deeper appreciation for their ingenuity. Consider the Antikythera mechanism. This ancient Greek device is over 2,000 years old. It is a complex astronomical calculator. It tracked celestial movements with remarkable accuracy. Its intricate gears and inscriptions reveal advanced knowledge. The Antikythera mechanism predates similar technologies by centuries. The Romans were renowned for their engineering prowess. Their roads, aqueducts, and structures still stand today. Roman concrete, in particular, is a testament to their ingenuity. It is incredibly durable. Some Roman structures have withstood the test of time for millennia. Modern engineers still study its properties. They seek to replicate its strength and longevity. The Inca civilization thrived in South America. They were masters of stonework and architecture. Machu Picchu is a breathtaking example. This city in the clouds showcases their mastery of engineering and astronomy. The Inca carved massive stones with precision. They fit them together seamlessly without mortar. Their buildings have survived earthquakes for centuries. How did these ancient civilizations achieve such feats? How were these technologies lost to time? The answers are complex. Some knowledge was likely passed down orally. This made it vulnerable to disruption and loss. Wars, natural disasters, and societal upheavals could easily erase generations of accumulated wisdom. The destruction of libraries and ancient texts also played a role. The Library of Alexandria, a repository of ancient knowledge, was tragically destroyed by fire. Countless scrolls and manuscripts containing invaluable information were lost forever. The fall of empires and the passage of time scattered what knowledge remained. Furthermore, some technologies may have been so specialized that only a select few possessed the knowledge. When those individuals perished, so too did their secrets. Trade secrets and guarded techniques were common in ancient times. This secrecy may have contributed to the loss of certain technologies. Though much has been lost, the remnants of these ancient technologies inspire us. They demonstrate the ingenuity and resourcefulness of our ancestors. They challenge us to push the boundaries of our own knowledge. By studying the past, we can gain insights into forgotten techniques and materials. The study of ancient technologies is not merely an academic pursuit. It has practical applications. Modern engineers and scientists are exploring the properties of Roman concrete. They seek to create more sustainable and durable building materials. Researchers are also studying ancient astronomical techniques. They hope to gain a deeper understanding of the cosmos. The ingenuity of our ancestors serves as a source of inspiration. It reminds us that even with limited resources, humans are capable of extraordinary things. By learning from the past, we can unlock the secrets of ancient technologies. We can use this knowledge to shape a better future. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the past and future.